Pennies per sale. That's what most have earned after building a 200 plus person network marketing team over years. And it actually taught me something that most people figure out way too late. So listen, there's a compensation structure where every single dollar that comes back or goes through you keep 80% of it. There's no left leg, no right leg, no matrix to fill. And I need to show you why that changes everything for busy parents who are done working for quarters. Because here's what nobody wants to tell you when you sign up for one of those big team building opportunities. They hand you the comp plan. They show you the fancy charts with all the levels and all the percentages, and it looks incredible on paper. You're thinking, if I could just get 10 people and they each get 10 people, I'll be making 6 figures in no time. So you go to work. You're making calls at night after the kids go to bed. You're messaging people on your lunch break. And you're driving to hotel meetings on weekends when your daughter has a soccer game. You do that for a year, 2 years, 3 years. And then one day you look at your commission check and you realize after all of that grinding, after building a team of 200 people, you're still earning pennies and quarters on every single sale. The structure was never designed for you to win, not quickly, and not without thousands of people beneath you. That realization is brutal, but it's also the most important thing you'll ever figure out in this industry. Because once you see it, you can't unsee it. And most network comp plans have mathematically designed so that even with a big team, the money trickles up and what's left for you barely even covers your auto ship. You're not building wealth, you're subsidizing someone else's. And the worst part, they'll tell you it's your fault. You didn't duplicate enough. You didn't hit the next rank. You didn't work hard enough. Meanwhile, your kids are growing up and you're missing it. Now, I want to be clear, I'm not against network marketing completely. I've met great people in that space. But if you're a busy parent, you have to ask yourself a question. Do you want to keep working for pennies and quarters, or do you want your work to pay you a lot more, a lot faster? That question is exactly what led me to the Home Business Academy affiliate program. And once I understood how it worked, everything for me changed. Here is why. The compensation plan is single tier, no binaries, no matrix, no left leg, no right leg. You're not spending years trying to build a massive organization and hoping enough people stick around long enough for your check to grow. Every single dollar that comes through this business, you keep 80%. That's the whole plan. Now, I just want you to think about what that actually means. So with most comp plans, you need hundreds of people in your organization just to see real money. With an 80% payout, you only need 2 referrals to be in profit. 2, not 200, 2. And your effort actually compounds instead of leaking away into levels above you. And that stacks up fast. So let me put it in real terms so you can feel this. Say you refer 5 customers. With a traditional comp plan and all those levels splitting up the commissions, you might see $20, $30 a month, maybe less. With 80% commissions, those same 5 customers could be putting serious reoccurring income in your pocket every single month with no massive team, no chasing, no duplication, no watching your whole income collapse because one leg fell apart. Here's the thing that really matters if you're a parent. You can actually close your laptop when the kids get home. You're not grinding calls every single night, trying to keep a downline alive. In fact, you're not begging people to stay. You're not running training calls 5 nights a week, trying to motivate a team that's already halfway out the door. You make your referrals, the system does the heavy lifting, and you go be present with your family. That's what freedom actually looks like. Not a Lamborghini in a driveway, your kid on your lap at 4 p.m. because you already did your work. I get the appeal of building teams and organizations. I do, but those take years and years. And even then, most people aren't making any real income. And that's not an opinion, that's math. And once you do the math, you realize why high payout affiliate programs matter so much, because the structure respects your time, it respects your effort, and it actually pays you what you are worth from day one instead of making you wait 3 years to find out if it's going to work. By the way, if you want to see exactly how that 80% payout works inside a done-for-you system that literally handles the selling, so you can actually close the laptop and be with your kids. And all you have to do is go to unlockresiduals.com or click the description and you'll find the link there. But this is such a better way. You can work and grind your way your entire life trying to build this massive income, but most people in network marketing don't stick around. Most people in network marketing don't make much money. At least with an 80% payout, you have a chance, a real fighting chance to build an income that you could be proud of, to build an income that one day could maybe replace your job, to build an income that offers you breathing room and allows you to actually build a business around your family. And all of that to say is I have to say this real quick, is this is not guaranteeing you'll make any money whatsoever, because no sales equals no income. So this is not a guarantee, but if you actually were building something, imagine getting 10 people in a network marketing business, your residual is probably gonna be around $2.50, right? But if you get 10 people into something like HBA, the Home Business Academy, that's almost $1,200 a month residual income. You see the difference, you see the math. So anyways, if you want information to check it out yourself, you could actually get a whole free overview by clicking the link in the description below, or go to the comment section, you'll find it there too. But don't sit on this and don't wonder if it's a good idea. Go check it out firsthand for yourself. And once you do, I'll actually reach out to you and we can have a whole conversation. And yeah, anyways, guys, hope you have a great day. And hit like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon.